Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today we have a video on how to do eyelashes. Like all my other videos, this is me doing things a little bit differently, and it's going to be not only how to apply lashes, but how to apply them in sections, almost like individual lashes, because you know on my channel, everything is a little bit different. All right, let's jump right into what you're going to need. So you're going to need the lashes, which I have on my finger. You can get any kind that you actually like, doesn't really matter. It's your preference on this, as long as the band is thick enough to actually cut the lashes into little sections. That's really all you need to worry about. The next thing I have is my Kiss adhesive glue that is clear with aloe, only because I do keep these on for at least a week to going pretty much between 7 to 14 days. I keep these on my eyes. So I am a little bit more careful with the glue that I buy. This one seems to not bother my eyes at all, so that's a good thing. And then we're going to need a small, preferably pair of scissors, just so that you can kind of get in there and cut your individual lashes. And then lastly, we have 2 pairs of tweezers. So you're going to need this one to apply them, and you're going to need this one for at the end to press them all together. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so right here we have the eyelashes, and they do have the adhesive strip. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lashes the way, I guess, the amount of lashes that I will want single-handedly on my eyes. I'm going to start with a little bit bigger pieces, and then I'm going to work my way up to smaller pieces. So as you can see, this is my first bit right here, and these are going to be on the very end towards my eyelid, not the inner corner but the outer corner of my eyelid. So we'll set that one down, and then we'll go ahead and cut another strip. Oh, see, when it doesn't cut properly and you try to pull it, you end up pulling the hairs off. So I have 3 strips. We'll go ahead and start with that. All right, so this is what I am working with right here. We have all of our little pieces here, and then we have what we did not use there. So I have my mirror right here, and I'm going to be putting them on just like this, looking over there into my mirror. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a close-up of my eyes. So that is all that I have. There was my mirror that I was using. That's all that I have for you guys today. I'll give you guys a few pointers. Try not to sleep on your face. It does kind of push the lashes to the side. However, if that does seem to happen, you just go in the morning, take your tweezers, kind of pull them over, put a little bit of mascara on. If you have clear, that would probably be best, only because if you are planning on wearing these for a long extended period of time, like 7 to 14 days like I do, you don't want a bunch of caked on mascara. That is going to weigh down your eyes heavier and heavier the thicker and the more times you put it on. So clear mascara, just take it, even with some water, and just go like that. Try not to sleep on your face. If you do wear face masks, just sleep at nighttime. Don't while you have these on. they work for me. They do last for almost 2 weeks. A lot of times I end up taking them off because I'm ready to wash my eyes, and you can't really wash your eyes, your lashes when you do have lashes on. So that would be the only downfall of keeping them on for so long. Otherwise, I love them. I really enjoy having them on. I really enjoy the fact that I pay $1 for them and they last for that long in comparison to what, $200 when you have to go to the place and actually get them done. I'm good. So I'm cheap, whatever, sue me. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate everything that you guys comment down below and give me comments on what you liked about the video, what you didn't like. I even like what you guys think that I should fix about this whole thing. I don't care. I like constructive criticism. I'll take it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more of me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for more notifications when I upload another video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, don't. That's okay too. Again, I'm open to anything for remarks, questions, anything like that that you guys have. And until next time, I will see you guys next time.
Oh, I know that you go my